In the last class we discussed how to apply the completing square method. We go to the next one. Okay, the question is like this: find two numbers whose sum is 27 and the product is 182. Then we know how we do this type of question because he is not given the equations. So the first steps to create an equation, correct? So what is the question? The question is given like this: find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. Here we not use the two variable, we always using one variable, correct? We always using one variable. And now is very clear, we already know, we learn it. The sum is given. Why to given the sum? The sum is given for to make the numbers, to create the numbers, and the product is given for to creating an equation, to making an equation. Okay, then don't forget the idea, the sum and the difference. The idea based on addition and subtraction is giving for to make the numbers, for to writing the numbers. Okay, and the idea of multiplication and divisions, most commonly the multiplications, okay, is giving for to create an equation, for to make an equation. Okay, എന്താണ് നമ്മളെ അപ്പോൾ അഡീഷനും സബ്ട്രാക്ഷനും ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുള്ള എന്തും നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്? നമ്പേഴ്സ് ഉണ്ടാക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്, നമ്പേഴ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനും ഡിവിഷനും, ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷൻ നമ്മൾ കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് അത് ആ മൾട്ടിപ്ലിക്കേഷനുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട ഐഡിയാസ് നമ്മൾ യൂസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത് എന്തിനു വേണ്ടിയിട്ടാണ്? ഇക്വേഷൻ ഫോം ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി, ടു ഫോം ആൻ ഇക്വേഷൻ. ഓക്കെ, ദ ഐഡിയ ബേസ്ഡ് ഓൺ addition and subtraction is giving to create, to make a numbers, to write the numbers. Okay, the idea based on the multiplication is giving for to form an equation. Clear? Then here we have the two numbers, we don't know what are they. Then we use the first number is equal to x, is equal to x. Okay, then how to write the second number? Second number is equal to, what is the relation of the two numbers? The relation of the two numbers whose sum is 27. I told you the sum is giving to create, to write the numbers. Okay, then we have the two numbers, one we choose as x and the second one we don't know, correct? And we add the x and the second number, what we get? We get 27. Okay, the sum of two numbers is equal to 27. Then how do we find the second one? The 27 minus x is the second one, correct? അല്ലേ, രണ്ട് നമ്പർ ഉണ്ട്, ആ രണ്ട് നമ്പർ തമ്മിലുള്ള സം 27 ആണെങ്കിൽ ഒന്ന് എക്സ് ആണെന്ന് നമുക്കറിയാം. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടാമത്തെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ എന്ത് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? രണ്ടാമത്തെ നമ്പർ എന്തായിരിക്കും? ദാറ്റ് വൺ ഈസ് 27 മൈനസ് എക്സ്. ഓക്കെ, ദെൻ സെക്കൻഡ് നമ്പർ ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു 27 minus x, because the sum is equal to 27. And what is the next relation? The next relation is the product is equal to 180. The product of two number is equal to 182. Therefore x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. Then we expand the bracket. What do you get? 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Then x square is now in the second term. So for to getting the standard form, we rewriting this. How to write? Therefore minus x square plus 27x is equal to 182. So for to solving this equation, here we follow the second idea, completing square method. Okay, why? Because we already know how to apply the factorization method or splitting middle term method. Okay, so here we applying the second idea. What is that? The completing square method. Then for to apply the completing square method, what is the first step? First we check the sign of the the coefficient of x square. First we check the coefficient of x square, correct? The coefficient of x square is 1 or not. അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നത്? നമ്മൾ ഫോളോ ചെയ്യുന്നത് കംപ്ലീറ്റിംഗ് സ്ക്വയർ മെത്തേഡാണ്. കാരണം മറ്റേ മെത്തേഡ് നമുക്ക് അറിയാമെന്നുള്ളത് കൊണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ കംപ്ലീറ്റിംഗ് സ്ക്വയർ മെത്തേഡ് അപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യാൻ നമ്മൾ ആദ്യം എന്താണ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? എക്സ് സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് എന്താണെന്ന് നോക്കണം. ഈസ് 1 then is okay, otherwise we need to make as 1, correct? Then here is minus 1, not 1, here is minus 1. So to make the minus 1 as 1, what is the first? To divide the all by minus 1, correct? So we are dividing everything, that means this equation completely by minus 1. Then minus x square by minus 1 plus 27x by minus 1 is equal to 182 by minus 1. So what is next? Minus x square by minus 1 is x square. Then minus 27x is equal to minus 182. Then what is next? Next we checking where is the constant. The constant is lies on the left side or right side. That one is in the left side. We need to convert, we need to transpose to the side of RHS, correct? But here where is the constant? The constant is lies in the RHS part. There is no then we not have nothing to do there, am I right? So he is already in the right side. Then what is next? The next, there is an idea behind the completing square method. What is that? We need to add square of the half of the coefficient of x. അല്ലേ? എന്താണ് പിന്നെ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത്? പിന്നെയാണ് അതിൻ്റെ ഏറ്റവും പ്രധാനപ്പെട്ട പോയിന്റ് വരുന്നത്. എന്താണ്? നമ്മൾ ഇക്വാളിറ്റി സൈഡിൻ്റെ രണ്ട് ഭാഗത്തും എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം മക്കളെ? എക്സിൻ്റെ കോയിഫിഷ്യൻറ്റിൻ്റെ ഹാഫിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യണം, correct? Then what is the coefficient of x here? That one is 27. No need to take the sign, this enough, 27. The number is enough, 27. Okay, 27. So we adding the both sides. Therefore x square minus 27x plus 27 by 2, the half of 27 square, minus 182 plus 27 by 2 whole square. Then this one in the form of x a square minus 2ab plus b square. Instead of b we using 27 by 2. Okay, then what is next? So we convert this one in the form of a minus b whole square. Why? Because the sign of the second is minus. Then the next steps, therefore x minus what is b? B is 27 by 2. We not make a decimal form. 27 by 2 square is equal to minus 182 plus what is the square of 27? The square of 27 is equal to 729 by 4, correct? 729 by 4. The next, x minus 27 by 2 whole square is equal to x minus 27 by 2 whole square is equal to, this one is, we know is not possible to add directly because the second one is in the form of fraction, the first one is not in the form of fraction, correct? So we make this one by 1 or the cross multiplication. Then what do you get? Minus 182 into 4 plus then 729, correct? 729 by 4. We make the denominator equal. The next we need to multiply 182 and 4. Then 182 into 4. Then 8. Then 4 into 8 is 32. Then 3. Then 4 into 1 4. 4 plus 3 7. Correct? Then the sign is minus. So the answer is minus 728 plus 729 by 4. Okay, then minus 728 plus 729 by 4 is equal to what we get? Minus 728 plus 729 is 1 by 4. Okay. Therefore, what we got it now, x minus 27 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. Then x minus 27 by 2 is equal to square root of 1 by 4. Then we know what is the square root of 1 by 4. Then the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. But we know how to be right. We have the two numbers, one is plus and another one is minus. Then plus or minus 1 by 2. Correct? 1 by 4 എത്ര സ്ക്വയർ റൂട്ട് ഉണ്ട് മക്കളെ? എത്ര റൂട്ട്സ് ഉണ്ട്? രണ്ട് റൂട്ട് ഉണ്ട്. ഒന്ന് പ്ലസും ഒന്ന് മൈനസും അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ 1 by 4ൻ്റെ റൂട്ട് ഏതാ? 1 by 2. Then we know now x minus 7 by 2 have the two values. X minus 27 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2, or x minus 27 by 2 is equal to minus 1 by 2. Then x minus 27 by 2 is 1 by 2. What is x? X is equal to 1 by 2 plus 27 by 2 is equal to, the denominator is same, so we adding the numerator 28 by 2. 28 by 2 is equal to 14. Correct? Then what is the second one? The second one is x is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 27 by 2 is equal to, the denominator is same, so we adding the numerator minus 1 plus 27 is 26. 26 by 2 is equal to 13. So here what are the values of x? We have the two values, x is equal to 14 and x is equal to 30. Then we choosing like this, first number is equal to 14, second number 7 minus 14 is equal to 13. Correct? 27 minus 14 is equal to 13. Then otherwise how to write? We do not have the place here, so we are writing, if first number to 13, that is x value, if first number is equal to 13, second number is equal to 27 minus 13. What is 27 minus 13? That one is 14. So here we got it, two numbers. What are they? 13 and 14. Then only the chance to get the numbers are 13 and 14. Sometimes the first number is 13, second number is 14, or otherwise first number is 14, second number is 13. Okay, we have only the two possibility for here to getting the numbers that are 13 and 14. Okay, I think you got it, this idea. Next we go to the next question. The question is like this: find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose square is 365. Correct? Here is given not the sum of integers, the sum of square of consecutive integer is 365. അല്ലേ? അടുത്തടുത്തുള്ള രണ്ട് ഇൻറ്റിജറിൻ്റെ സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെ സമ്മാണ് എത്ര എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്? 365. Then the question asks to find the two consecutive integers. We already learned how to take the integers. Correct? Then what is the relation of first? Consecutive means the number lies near, the integers lies near. If we choose the first number, then how to we write the second one? Yes, that's very clear. First plus 1. അല്ലേ? ഒന്നാമത്തെ നമ്പർ നമുക്ക് അറിയാമെങ്കിൽ രണ്ടാമത്തെ നമ്പർ എഴുതാൻ അതിനോട് എന്ത് ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി? 1 ആഡ് ചെയ്താൽ മതി. Correct? So we choosing the numbers like this. First integer is equal to x. Then second integer is equal to x plus 1. Then what is the relation? Sum of whose square is 365, means the sum of the squares of integer is equal to 365. Therefore we are writing, therefore x square plus x plus 1 whole square is equal to 365. Then what is next? X square is x square plus, this one in the form of a plus b whole square. Correct? So a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to 365. Then x square plus x square is 2x square. Then 2 into x, 2x into 1 is 2x. Plus 1 square is 1 is equal to 365. So we know that we are applying a completing square method. So we need to get the constant in the side of RHS, correct? Constant we need to get in the side of RHS. So we have one constant term in the LHS part that we transpose first to the side of RHS. Okay, so what is next? 2x square plus 2x is equal to 365 minus 1. Then 2x square plus 2x is equal to 364. Then before to apply the completing square method, we checking what is the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 2. Now is very clear that one is not 2, that one is. Before to apply the method, we check what is the coefficient of x square, if the coefficient of x square is 1 or not. Am I right? So here also we checking what is the coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is 2, not 1. So what is the first? We need to make the coefficient of x square as 1. For that we divide whole the equation by 2. The next step, 2x square by 2 plus 2x by 2 is equal to 364 by 2. Then what we get? 2 cancel, then x square means 1x square, then 2 cancel, then x means 1x. Then what we get? We divide 364 by 2, what do you get? Yes, 3 1 time, then 1 is balance, 16 8 times, then 4 2 times, then 182. Correct? Then what is next? Next, for to apply the equation, what is the next? We add in the both side of equality sign what the square of the half of the coefficient of x in the coefficient in the half in the square add ചെയ്യണം അല്ലേ? അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ നോക്കുക, what is the coefficient of x? The coefficient of x is 1. Then we need to add in the both side the square of half of 1. Then how to write? Therefore x square plus x plus 1 by 2 whole square, that is equal to 182 plus 1 by 2 whole square. Then this one in the form of a square, this one is plus 2ab plus b square. Then how to write? Instead of a, that one is x, then x plus this one is b square means b means 1 by 2. This by a plus b whole square form, because the second term sign is plus, is equal to 182 plus 1 by 2 means 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. Then x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to, here the denominator, this one in the form of fraction, this one not in the form of fraction, so we make this one as in the form of fraction first, correct? So next we equalizing the denominator, correct? We equalizing the denominator, then what we write? Then x plus 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 182 into 4 plus 1 by 1 into 4 is 4, that means we equalize the denominator. Then 182 into 4, what is 182 into 4? 8. Then 32 to 2, then 3, 1 into 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 728. 728 plus 1 is 729, 729 by 4, correct? What is next? Therefore x plus 1 by 2 is equal to root of 729 by 4. We know we have the two roots. What are they? One is plus, other one is minus, plus or minus. What is the square root of 729? That one is 27. By what is the square root of 4? That one is 2. Then 27 by 2. Then 4 x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 27 by 2, or x plus 1 by 2 is equal to minus 27 by 2. Is x plus 1 by 2 is 27 by 2. What is the value of x? X is equal to 27 by 2 minus 1 by 2. 27 by 2 minus 1 by 2, denominator is same. So we subtract the numerator. 27 minus 1, 26 by 2 is equal to 13. Then the second case, what is the value of x? X is equal to minus 27 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Then denominator is same. Then minus 27 minus 1. What is minus 27 minus 1? That one is minus 28 by 2 is equal to minus 14. Okay. Then got it the two values for x. Correct. Here we got it the two values for x. One is plus and one is minus. Then what is actually x? We check what is actually x. The x is a first integer. Correct. The first integer. And then we know that the integers may be positive or negative. Correct. Integer എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ എന്താവാം? ഒന്നിക്കൽ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആകാം അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ആവാം. So here we have the chance to take the values of x as 13 and minus 14. അല്ലേ? x is an integer. x integer എന്നാണെങ്കിൽ നമ്മൾ എന്തെടുക്കണം? എക്സിന് രണ്ട് വാല്യൂ എടുക്കണം. ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? എക്സ് പോസിറ്റീവ് എടുക്കണം, എക്സ് വാല്യൂ നെഗറ്റീവ് എടുക്കണം. Okay, but in the question is specify correctly what is that? The find two consecutive positive integers. Correct? Find two consecutive positive integers. നമ്മളോട് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ കൃത്യമായിട്ട് എന്ത് മക്കളെ? പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജേഴ്സ് ആണ് നമുക്ക് എടുക്കേണ്ടത്. പോസിറ്റീവ് ഇൻറ്റീജർ ആണ് കൺസിഡർ ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട്. സോ ഹിയർ വി നോട്ട് ചൂസ് ദ വാല്യൂ ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു minus 14. Why? Because the question is specify already what want to take. We need to take only for the positive integers. It's just only an integer, we need to take both values. Did you got it? Yes. So here the first integer we choose only the value of x is equal to 14. Therefore first integer is equal to 14 and second integer equal to 13 plus 1. 13 plus 1 is equal to 14. Then here we have the two numbers, two integers. First one is 13 and second one is 14. I think you got the idea how to apply the completing square method.